So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today we have two big internship opportunity for you people. One is for the profile of business analyst and second is for data analyst intern. So we will discuss both the job opportunity in detail, that what is going to be the job role, about the qualification, job location and also about the salary or stipend that you will be getting. So our first opportunity is for the business analyst intern and it is coming from the Invent Collapse Infotech Private Limited. So those who don't know about Invent Collapse company, so basically it is a US based IT company specialized in technology and mobile app development, web development, e-commerce application and CRM solutions. So job location is going to be Mansarovar, Jaipur, Rajasthan and you will be getting 10,000 per month. So basically it is going to be a full-time opportunity and you have to work for day shift and Monday to Friday. Now coming to the job description and the learning that you will be getting from this internship. So in 2 months of the internship you will be knowing how to create wireframes, how to create feature list, knowledge about bidding portal, knowing about tools like DFD, SRS, how to write business emails and how to attend the client's call. You will be working on the live projects of wireframe and feature list technology. You have to work for generating insights in the LinkedIn sales and data mining. Now coming to the eligibility and qualification. So if you have done your bachelor's degree, you can apply here. So link to this position has been mentioned in the description, you can check. So coming to our next internship opportunity, Simple Tech Labs Private Limited is hiring for the data analyst intern. So the location is going to be Bangalore, Karnataka and the stipend that you will be getting is between 10,000 to 13,000 a month. So it is going to be a full-time opportunity but shift will be night shift. So coming to the job description, so they are seeking a motivated and talented data analyst intern to join their team. And as a data analyst intern, you have the opportunity to work on the real world projects, gaining hands-on experience with the various data analysis tools like Tableau, Power BI. So here you have to gather the data from various sources including databases, spreadsheet and APIs. You have to clean and pre-process the data to ensure accuracy, completeness and consistency. You have to analyze large data set to extract actionable insights and identify trends, patterns and correlations. You have to visualize the data with the help of charts, graphs, dashboard, reports and communicate these findings to stakeholders. Here you have to apply different statistical methods and techniques for the data validation. You have to prepare reports summarizing analysis results and presenting findings to the stakeholders. You have to coordinate with the cross-functional team, including business analysts, engineers, and stakeholders, to understand their data requirements and deliver insights. Here you will get opportunity to learn SQL, Python, R, Excel, Tableau, Power BI. So here you will get a lot of learning, so I encourage you to apply for it. Now coming to the eligibility and qualifications, so if you have done your bachelor's or master degree in any relevant field you can apply here. But you must have strong analytical skills or you must have competency to deal with the complex data sets. So all the links I have mentioned in the description you can check and thank you for watching this video and make sure to subscribe the channel for more updates.